friends, this is Akshata here with yet another quick and delicious recipe. Today I will be showing you how to make some potato bhaji. So let's go through our ingredients. Here I have about 3 medium-sized potatoes boiled and cut into small cubes. They have to be small and cut evenly so that our masala coats each and every potato well. Here I have got a paste which I have made using about 3 light green chilies, half an inch of ginger and some curry leaves. I have put them in the mixer pot and made a fine paste. Then we require the juice of 1 lemon. We require some coriander for garnish. In our spices, we require 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Then you require some salt and a little bit of sugar to taste. So let's start making this potato bhaji. Now here I have some oil heating in a pan. First we'll go in 1 teaspoon of mohri or mustard seeds. When they begin to splutter, we'll add in 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, followed by 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi. Then immediately goes in our paste of green chilies, ginger and curry leaves. We'll give this a little bit of a stir. We want these chilies to fry a bit. And then goes in our diced potatoes. We give all of this a good mix so that everything gets coated with this bagar. You have to cook this between slow and medium flame, not on high flame. And now we will just cover this and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, we will check on our potatoes. Now we will add in some sugar and salt to taste. And again give this a very good mix. Again we will cook this for another 2 minutes. Now it has been another 2 minutes. Our potato bhaji is all ready. And now all we have to do is switch off our gas, pour in the lemon juice and the garnish of coriander and give it one final mix. And here you have it, friends, the delicious yet simple potato bhaji or The ingredients are, here I have a cup full of fresh, clean coriander or cilantro. I have just cleansed the cilantro and soaked it in some water for about 10 minutes, some salt water. Just plucked out the stems. I've left the soft part of the stem though, if you can see, and discarded all the brownish root part of the coriander. Then we require, I'm going to use just 2 small cloves of garlic, otherwise it gives a very strong garlic flavor. 3 light green chilies, because these are not very spicy. If you're using the spicy ones, then just stick to about 1 chili, depending upon how spicy you would like the chutney. Here I'm going to use just half an onion, about 1 inch of ginger. This is about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, and half a lemon, and some salt to taste. Now first goes the onion, the garlic, the ginger and the green chilies into the blender pot, followed by some cumin seeds. Then we're going to add some salt. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt, some lemon juice, and our coriander. You can do this in batches. Put a little bit of it, give it a blitz, and again continue. So I'm just going to blitz this and get back to the recipe. And now and because we have a nice light green color, which is so fresh and nice because of the lemon that we added,